Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this feature demo, we're going to be taking a look at the Send Notification tool that's offered within Right-Click Tools Enterprise Edition. The Send Notification tool is a simple but powerful tool that allows you to send a notification to a device or a group of devices. So let's take a look at the tool itself here. So we are in the Config Manager console here. We're looking at the Devices tab. I'm going to go ahead and select one of our devices here to send the notification to. We will go ahead and right-click on it. Go to our right-click tools, go to console tools, and that's where we're going to find our send notification tool. So let's go ahead and open that up. And that's going to pull up our send notification tool. Here's where we can enter all of our information. The first little section here is going to have some advanced settings. This is going to be the methods you can try to use to send a notification. It will go through these notification types in order until one of them works. So let's go ahead and throw in our title here. Throw in the body of the message. Then we can also select a logo here. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab a little image here. So let's go ahead and send the notification. And we're going to get status updates on the right-hand side here of what it's trying. So there we got our notification with the image that I selected as well. So this would be a great tool if maybe you needed to notify maybe like your sales office or something like that, that Salesforce is going to be down for a little bit. You could go ahead and send that device collection a toast notification letting them know that.